channel Prabha Crafts. I am doing this beautiful flower. Very easy. Try it. Let's get started. Using 3 color yarn, scissor, 2 mm crochet hook, needle. To make it magic ring, channel 1, 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next pull the yarn very tight. Now close to slip stitch. Next channel 1. This round is each channel 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. Next channel 2 single crochet. Totally 12 single crochet. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now close to slip stitch. Now cut the red color yarn. Next join the yellow color yarn, channel 1, each channel around go to slip stitch. Total 12 slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now close to slip stitch. Next round number 4, channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Same channel go to slip stitch using front loop. Next channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Next channel go to front loop, go to slip stitch. This procedure 12 times. Channel 3, 1, 2, 3. Next channel go to slip stitch. Only front loop. Now cut the yarn. The wave end close to sewing needle. Next join the green color yarn back side. This round number 3. The yellow color single loop, single chain. This portion now connected cream color yarn channel 1, same channel go to single crochet, next channel go to 2 single crochet. This procedure followed to all channel. Total number of channel is 18. Single crochet, next 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Next single crochet, 2 single crochet. Now close to slip stitch. Round number 5 is completed. Next round number 6. Channel 2, 1, 2. Same channel is double crochet. Channel 2 is count as first DC. Actually 2 DC. Next 1 triple crochet. Same channel. Next channel 1 triple crochet. Next same channel 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Next channel go to slip stitch. One petal is ready. 3 stitch 1 petal, 2 double crochet, same channel, 1, 2. Next 1 triple crochet, same channel. Next channel 1 triple crochet. Next 2 double crochet, same channel. 1, 2. Next channel go to slip stitch. Second petal is ready. Repeat the procedure. Follow to 6 petals. Now cut the yarn. Channel 1. Now cut the yarn. The beautiful flower is ready. Fasten off wave end close to sewing needle. Now cut the yarn. The beautiful flower is ready. Try it. Thank you for watching. Please support, subscribe the channel, like the video, share the channels. Thank you. Thanking all.